We were established in 1976. My father, an Italian immigrant auto mechanic, decided to close his gas station and two-bay service center that he was operating for 12 years. He had a vision to open a auto repair facility that encompassed auto body and mechanical repairs. He partnered with a painter at that time, automotive painter, and they established United Motor Collisions. I decided to leave Brock University, where I was studying business, and join the family business. We bought out the partner at that point in 1979, and the journey began. Within a 10-year period, we grew it to a 30-car capacity shop.
I've been at the shop here for 32 years now. Started in 1988. Started as a cleanup guy. And then one day, John Sr. asked if I'd like to try the office. So I've been in the office since '93.
My venture into the workforce started with my dad thinking I was kind of crazy to want to be involved.
My son Johnny took the same interest that I did back in the day. My wife Cindy and I almost tried to discourage him, and I remember saying, Johnny, there's easier ways of making a living.
Little Big John Jr., he came here in '08, I think it was. So then it was the three of us doing basically hands-on everything. And once we joined the Fix group in, well, 7 years ago, I guess it is now, then we've all had our own position.
In 2014, almost 2015, we made the calculated decision to join a bigger group, a network across the world called FixAuto. They brought a lot to the table, but so did we. We are United Motor Collision at heart, and we always will be, because we've operated the same way that my dad taught me to operate. Do a good job, charge a fair price, you will do well. And we hold to that today.
Definitely beyond proud to take what my father and my grandfather started and worked so hard at since 1976 and elevate it to new levels. The reason I love coming to work so much, one of the biggest reasons, is the culture and the environment that we've created. I've spent many years revamping and tightening little things here and there in every different facet of the company. So we've created a pretty nice place to work. It's more of a family rather than a job to come to. Our recent partnership with the FixAuto brand has helped us grow and expand to new leaps and bounds. It kept us relevant in a rapidly changing industry that was geared towards banner shops and franchises. Our new name and look, along with all the other hard work and positive changes behind the scenes over the years, has helped propel us to where we are today, and that's a never-ending competition with ourselves to constantly do and be better. Everything from our paint matching to our finished product of the repaired vehicle has a lifetime warranty on it, not only through FixAuto, the brand, but through our shop, United Motor Collision, as a company. Our UMC FixAuto St. Catharines team is a family, and I think you can feel that when you walk in the front doors as well as into the shop. Whether or not you've been a part of our family for 33 years like Jamie, and 13 years like Josh, or even 3 years new like Nick, every single team member plays a huge role in why and how we are who we are.